Hey everyone, today I'm going to spend a minute showing you this really awesome 10-piece set. It's a granite cookware set, and this cookware set is amazing. Not only is it beautiful, but it's super high quality and I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some details, and then I'm going to go ahead and use it just so you can see. So first I'm going to go ahead and show you this pan here. So as you can see, it's got a really pretty handle, a hole in case you hang your pans. And then there's some really pretty texture in there. Do you see it? It's so beautiful. And then here's the outside and the back. So it does come with some lids. And they have a really nice handle. It's really gorgeous and really easy to hold on to. There's really nice lids. There's 3 of them. Okay, so, and then also we have this really nice tongs. They even have a little things you can pull and then they'll stay closed. And then also this really cool grill pan. And then this also comes with a little bit of sponges. All right, so we've got the casserole, and then we have a fry pan, a deep fry pan, a square pot, a square grill, and then also the tongs, which is really great for steak, flipping steak over. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this and show you a little bit more about it up close. Guys, now that you've seen all about this set, you've seen me use it in several different ways. You can see that it's a really high quality, really nice set, super easy to clean as well. So hopefully you found this video helpful, seeing all about it, and I appreciate you watching.